What's up, guys? Welcome back to Sensible Capital. Today, we're going to be revealing the top Robo-Advisor of 2023. Now, as some of you probably know, I worked as a licensed investment advisor for quite some time. During that time, I actually got the opportunity to work on one of the largest robos in the whole industry. It was really important that I stay tapped into the competitive landscape so I can understand what all the other robos are doing. And there was one particular research report that's been my go-to for years to do that. Introducing the Robo Report from Condor Capital Wealth Management. This is by far the most comprehensive quarterly report on robo-advisors that I've ever come across, and I highly recommend taking a look at it, whether you're already using a robo or considering starting for the first time. And today I'll be reviewing their most recent second quarter 2023 report, where they rank the top robos across the entire industry. We'll be specifically focusing on their top 2 overall. Real quick, guys, if you have no idea what a robo even is, what I'm talking about, check out my previous video where we explore what a robo-advisor actually is and if it would be the right decision for you. Our runner-up for best robo-advisor is Merrill Guided Investing. Merrill's been a powerhouse when it comes to finance for over 100 years now, but they were a latecomer to the robo space with their guided investing platform not launching until 2017. Merrill takes a similar approach to most of the other major brokerages with a 2-tiered approach. A cheaper online-only option called Merrill Guided Investing with a $1,000 minimum, and a more premium hybrid option called Merrill Guided Investing with an advisor that has a $20,000 minimum. Now, with their cheaper digital-only tier, you won't get the help of an advisor for financial planning, but you will have access to the industry standard offerings of live operational support, an ESG-themed investment portfolio, and a single goal per account planning tool that can help you project your future account value and likelihood of achieving your goal. At the hybrid level, investors will get access to live advisors, including a dedicated advisor that'll help with more complex planning, including the ability to model multiple financial goals and view them within a single holistic plan. Merrill's runner-up placing in the Robo Report was driven heavily by performance. This was largely in thanks to a relatively large allocation to municipal bonds on the fixed income side of the portfolio, as well as its bias towards large caps on the equity side. Merrill's known in the industry for its research-driven investing, and it clearly shows through here. This, combined with a more active approach to portfolio management, has helped them land the runner-up spot. As far as fees go, with Merrill Guided Investing, the online-only option will run you 0.45% for a management fee, and the Guided Investing with an advisor hybrid model will run you 0.85%. These are a little towards the mid to higher side when it comes to fees compared to the competition, but what the report fails to mention is that you can actually get these lower through Merrill's Preferred Rewards program, a program that they implemented some time ago that rewards people for having both Bank of America and Merrill accounts. Through that program, you can actually reduce those fees by as much as 0.15%, which suddenly makes them a lot more competitive. And without further ado, the best robo-advisor of 2023 is...
Now, I would just like to introduce y'all to the man, the myth, the legend, the MVP front runner. If anybody else got to say something different about that, then come see me. Yep. I'm right here in Bmore outside the bank. If you got an issue with that, come see me. I'm about that. Big trust. Woo woo.
Charles Schwab.
In the flesh. Yes, sir. Big trust.
I'm with you.
Like Merrill, Schwab's been a major player in the financial services industry for many decades now, but they didn't launch their robo-advisor Schwab Intelligent Portfolios until 2015. Also like Merrill and many others in the industry, Schwab has a 2-tiered service offering, with Schwab Intelligent Portfolios on the lower end and the more premium Schwab Intelligent Portfolios Premium. These programs have a $5,000 and $25,000 minimum respectively, higher than Merrill's, but still pretty standard as far as the industry is concerned. Schwab does, however, have some pretty cool features which set it apart from most of the competition, including tax loss harvesting, an ETF exclusion list if you don't want to be invested in certain funds, and a retirement paycheck to assist in the financial transition from working to retired life, all of which are available at the base level through an easy-to-use digital interface and without a management fee. Yeah, you heard that right. Schwab Intelligent Portfolios doesn't charge any fee when it comes to their entry-level $5,000 platform. Now, the next question you're probably thinking is, if they're not charging any fee, how are they making any money? That's a great question, and it's one they actually answer on their website. There are 3 primary ways that Schwab earns money from you using this service: using their own proprietary ETFs along with specific third-party ETFs, cash holding within the portfolio, and payment for order flow. Now, if you've kept up at all with broker practices, you probably know that number 3 is a little bit controversial. Payment for order flow is surprisingly complex, so it's not something we're going to get into in this video, but I probably will touch on it in the future. For their higher tier Intelligent Portfolios Premium, Schwab charges an initial one-time planning fee of $300 and then a $30 per month advisory fee after that, which gives you access to unlimited one-on-one guidance from a certified financial planner professional, a digital financial plan that provides a customized roadmap to help reach your goals, as well as interactive online planning tools. Now, when it comes to fees, you'll notice that Schwab's higher tier charges a flat $30 per month versus the percentage-based fee that a lot of the other advisors charge, like Merrill's Guided Investing. If you apply this $30 a month fee to the $25,000 minimum for the program, it equates to a 1.44% annualized fee, which is a lot higher than the other robos out there. So if you do intend to use Schwab's higher tier robo, it probably makes sense to wait until you're investing at least $50,000 or so with them to reduce the relative impact that $30 per month has on your portfolio. The higher the account balance is that you're having managed in that particular program, the smaller and smaller that particular fee is going to look over time. If we compare it to Merrill's Guided Investing with an advisor, Merrill's cheaper for account balances up to around $42,353, after which point the $30 per month fee for Schwab Intelligent Portfolios Premium becomes equivalent to less than Merrill's 0.85%. Aside from its impressive financial planning experience at the premium level, the Robo Report also cites Schwab's exceptional returns for its first place ranking. This is largely due to their portfolio's tendency to favor cash holdings and value over growth-heavy ETFs during the period measured. They state that in our Schwab Robo, the portfolio allocates over 10% of the account to cash, and in the most aggressive portfolio options available, still allocates over 8% of the account to cash. It's important to note over longer periods, Schwab's cash allocation has been a drag on performance. However, with equities and fixed income both performing poorly in 2022, Schwab's cash position blunted the effects of the broader market sell-off, giving a boost to performance over the trailing 3-year period. Additionally, Schwab's tilt towards value and the outperformance of the specific fundamentally weighted proprietary equity ETFs it holds helped its 3-year outperformance. Again, looking over a 5-year period where growth has outperformed value, this value tilt hasn't helped performance. Overall, Schwab Intelligent Portfolios Premium is a fantastic product for investors seeking a robo-advisor with $25,000 or more to invest. So do you agree with the rankings? Let me know in the comments down below. And if you want to see more of the details, check out the link in the description. You can actually sign up to receive the Robo Report directly yourself. I'm Jake, this is Sensible Capital, and always remember to be sensible.